Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this special period of mathematics. My dear students, we have already given you introduction of AP and I have explained giving some examples. Today, we are also in that process. So I want to remind once again, how can you find out whether a list of some numbers are in AP or not? I hope you must have learned the rule. I would like to remind, if the difference of two consecutive terms means जो भी नंबर उसमें है उसको हम terms बोलते हैं, first term, second term, third term, like that. If the difference of two consecutive terms is same, is fixed, that means the numbers are in it. I would like to remind there are different types of sequence and patterns which follow some rules. Yesterday I have given examples. Today, I have also some examples before you, and you have to find out whether these list of numbers are in AP or not. Now, my dear, come to question number 1, 9, 8, 27 dash. I have explained what do you understand by finite AP and infinite AP? Finite you must have studied, that is limited. We know the end term, we know the last term. That is why it is called finite AP. Now, can you answer me whether these numbers are in AP? Yes. If I ask you, what is the reason? You can say, sir, second term minus first term, 3. Third term minus second term, 3. Fourth term minus third term, 3. So we observe, we find here the difference of consecutive two terms is same, and therefore these numbers are in AP. And since we know the first term and last term, and therefore it is called finite AP. Infinite, that you know very well. Finite verb you must have studied in English grammar. Finite verb, auxiliary verb. So infinite, just reverse of that. 100, 300, 500, dash. This means we know the first term, and we can find with that rule these are in AP. But here we don't know what is the last term. If I ask you what will be the 100 term, what will be the 1000 term, you will learn in the next exercise. But now we are in a process of to understand what is an AP. And common difference I have also explained, the fixed number by which the consecutive terms have same difference. That is called common difference, fixed number. Suppose first term is A and second term is D. D is the common difference. So what will be the AP? A first term, A plus D, second term, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dash. तो जिसको हम कहते हैं जनरल टर्म ऑफ AP. And in the next exercise, you will learn the nth term. जैसे मैंने कहा कि 50th term, 100th term. So finite, infinite, you understand. General term, you understand. If we know the first term and common difference, we can create the AP. We can write the AP. Now come to these questions. These are the questions. Some question may be from your book, but it is not necessary that you only solve the question of your book. For knowledge point of view, if you want to become brilliant in mathematics, whatever the books available, you should try to solve all the questions. More question you will solve, more idea you will learn. So my dear student, this is my valuable advice to all of you. First you can complete the exercise, foundation, and then you can use whatever the books available to you. And as I told you, different types of book, different types of questions, different types of methods, and you will be master of mathematics. So 9, 8, 27, these are in AP. If I ask, my question is, why can you say these are in AP? Because the difference between two consecutive terms, third and second, 9th and 8th, like that. So this is the first term, and this minus this, 9. This minus this, 9. This 9 is common difference, so these are in AP. Now you see, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2. Or these numbers in AP, you use that formula A1, this is A2, this is A3, A4, dash dash. So you can find A2 minus A1. So if you want to find out whether these numbers are in AP, so you will follow this process. Suppose in question number 2, so A2 minus A1, A2 minus 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Now, A3 minus A1, A3 minus A1, so A3 is 0, 0 minus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Now you see A4 minus A3, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. So we find here third term minus, second term minus, first term, third term minus, second term, and so on. This means these are in AP. This is the methods. Now can you answer these are in AP or not? It looks simply if you simply see the question, see the pattern, it looks just like in AP. But I don't know. You will try to find A2 minus A1. तो इसको इस तरह से हम बना सकते हैं. कैसे? जैसा देखें. So if you want to solve number 3, find out whether these are in AP or not. So ये देखिए थर्ड में A1 1 by 2, A2 1 by 3, A3 1 by 4, and A4 1 by 5. Now you find A2 minus A1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, you can find the LCM and you can simplify 2 minus 3 and minus 1 by 6. A3 minus A2, A3 is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, LCM 12, 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 12. And here it looks, because no constant value, no same difference. तो आगे आपसे करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि we haven't got the difference same, A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, and third term minus second term. This means, so no need to find further, because we have found the difference is not same, 4 minus 5. So you can say A2 minus A1 not equal A3 minus A2 not equal A4 minus A3 and so on. Therefore, these are not in AP. Number 4, you see root 2, root 8, root 18. So, if I ask you, what is the common R in AP? So, first term root 2, second term root 8, you can simplify it, you will get 2 root 2. 2 root 2 and 18 under root, so you will get 3 root 2. And this is 4 root 2 like that. Here. Now you can see this minus this, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to just like 2x minus xx, so this will be root 2. This minus this, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, so 1 root 2 means root 2. Okay? Which is I say 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is equal to root 2. So we find the common difference is same, therefore we make it. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, this minus this. You cannot simplify. So this is the important point in this question particular. Like this, तो इस तरह से आप बना सकते हैं और उसको कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट में है एक क्वेश्चन देखिए 5.1. The taxi fare for first 15 kilometer is rupees. No, first kilometer is rupees 15. Or in AP or not? तो यहाँ पर देखिए फर्स्ट का आपको निकालना है. Taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is fare for first kilometer rupees 15. This is A1 first term. Fare for 2 kilometer. इसमें कहता है 8 किलोमीटर एडिशनल है, तो ये हो जाएगा रुपीज 15 प्लस 8 rupees 8, rupees 23. This is second term. And same, we can mention a few steps for fare for 3 kilometer. कितना हो जाएगा 23 plus 8 is equal to rupees 31 like that. And suppose this is A3. इसी तरह से आप भी कर सकते हैं. अब उसको हम करने के बाद लिख देते हैं and so on. तो ये क्या हो गया A1 15, A2 23, A3 31. Now you follow that process. A2 minus A1, 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. Similarly, A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23 is equal to 8. क्या लिखेंगे? Difference is same. Difference same. Hence, it is an AP. It is an AP. ये हो गया first. You will go through all the questions of exercise, question number 1, and then you can, I explain only, you will try to solve. Second, first question. Write 4 terms of AP. First term A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. So first term क्या हो जाएगा? First term is A, 10, A1. Second term क्या आ जाएगा? 10A plus D, ये हो गया A. And 10 plus 10, ये A plus D. अभी मैंने जनरल टर्म बताए थे. थर्ड टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 2D, यानी 2 into 10, यानी कितना हो जाएगा? 30. इसको 20 कर दीजिए. ए प्लस बी, ये हो गया क्या, ए प्लस 2d, एंड इसी तरह से फोर्थ टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, ए प्लस 3d, 3 इंटू 10 इक्वल टू 40, ये हो गया ए प्लस 3d। इसी तरह से हम जितने भी टर्म्स हैं, तो फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, तो नेक्स्ट फोर्थ टर्म वी हैव टू राइट, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ। फिफ्थ टर्म ए प्लस 4d, 4 इंटू 10, 50। सो नेक्स्ट टर्म्स आंसर क्या आ गया, टर्म्स ऑफ 10 इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, सेकंड टर्म 20, third term 30, 40, 50. These are the solution of question number 1. Number 3, following OP is right first term and common difference. First term 2, 4, 8, 16. First of all you have to find whether, और फिर दिया हुआ है AP लिखा हुआ है तो पता लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, you have to write first term. So first term is 3 already given. First term is 3. Common difference. So common difference 1 minus 3. इसको याद रखेंगे. Second term minus first term. -2. यानी -2 का मतलब हुआ ये जो वैल्यू जो है घट रहा है. पॉजिटिव रहता है तो वैल्यू बढ़ रहा है. इससे हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. और 4 में मैंने कहा 4 क्वेश्चन में है कि क्या ये एपी में है, और एपी में है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालो और 3 मोर टर्म्स को लिखना है. सो टुडे यू हैव लर्न इफ द लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स आर गिवन हाउ विल यू फाइंड दे आर इन एपी और नॉट. So we will find the difference between some consecutive term, second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, and so on. And therefore, if we find the difference is same, they are in AP, otherwise not. और जनरल टर्म मैंने कहा कोई भी AP में यदि नंबर्स हैं, फर्स्ट टर्म में कॉमन डिफरेंस D, तो फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलरेडी गिवन A, सेकंड टर्म हो जाएगा A प्लस D, थर्ड टर्म A प्लस 2D, A प्लस 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D like that. तो 5.1 में ये आपको कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं. You go through the statement, you try to follow whether what are the first term and second term and third term and fourth term like that. Maybe simplification may be harder, but process will be set. And नेक्स्ट फ्री क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में कुछ क्वेश्चन हैं. दे आर, आपको 2 चीजों पता लगाना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेदर द इक्वेशंस आर इन एपी और नॉट, और इफ यस व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. यदि एपी में है तो कॉमन डिफरेंस होगा द डिफरेंस, कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस, द फिक्स्ड वैल्यू बाय विच द नंबर्स इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. और इफ एपी में है तो यू राइट फ्यू टर्म, 3 टर्म और 4 टर्म, जितने टर्म्स लिखना है हम लिख सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स यू कैन राइट इफ यू नो द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड इफ यू नो द कॉमन डिफरेंस. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई सपोज यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाट इज एन एपी? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड if you pay full attention to this chapter, you can complete in 3 days. So, and one question, situational problem, I will send you all, although must have sent what the topics have been removed by CBSE. So once again I will try to send, but situational problems on some of APs, some जब हम बताने लगेंगे तो उसमें बताएंगे. तो अभी हम इसमें कुछ पढ़ना है. nth टर्म क्या है, और sum of n terms, यानी sum of n terms का मतलब 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dash plus 100. How can you find? Very interesting. So that's all for today. AP, and next time, whenever we meet, I will see what is nth term. Nth term. Thank you and have a nice day.